National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a special marine warning for Charlotte Harbor and Pine Island Sound. Coastal waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood, Florida out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida out 20 nautical miles until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Manasota Key to 7 nautical miles southeast of Gasparilla Island to near Bonita Beach. The severe thunderstorms were nearly stationary. Hazard: waterspouts, wind gusts 34 knots or greater, and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Gasparilla Island, Englewood, Fort Myers Beach, Manasota Key, Sanibel, Captiva, Don Pedro Island, Bonita Beach, and Venice. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.